be a super easy night for you. You'll basically have the night to yourself.
Oh, awesome.
And we're gonna be late, so we'll pay for your cab ride home.
Thank you. You're right. This is such an easy night.
Night.
Good night.
Oh, wait. I went to Costco. I got snacks. Feel free to go wild.
Kid snacks. I can't do that to my body. There's something. I don't need you kid snacks. No. I've got to get out of the kitchen. It's alright. I will just, I'll sit here and I will watch the Apple TV. Okay. I don't care if you're bunnies. All right, Leah, you can do this. Okay. Oh, finally, something only an adult would eat. Dinosaur nuggets? No! Why? Oh, God, it's clean! They look like real dinosaurs! It's amazing!
Leah, what happened?
Go wild. Oh, God. It's so good.